Good morning, dear students. Welcome to continue part of the Nayakas, Palegaras, and Nadprabhus. Okay. So in the previous class, I have taught you about the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Yes. So they ruled as a chieftains from 16th to 18th century. Yes. And there were 13 chieftains they ruled to Chitradurga, yes, for about 211 years. So among them the Matitimana Nayak, yes, so he was the first king of the Palepattu, yes, and there were so many important kings was the year, yes. For example, Matitimana Nayaka, yes, so he was the first king. Then after Kasturi Rangappa Nayak, yes, and Kasturi Chekkanna Nayak, Bichugutti Brahmanna Nayak, and Hire Madakari Nayaka. So these are some famous kings of Chitradurga. Yes. So we have also discussed about the Rajavira Madakari Nayak, yes, and he was the most powerful and popular among the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Yes. And he ascended the throne at the age of 12 years. Yes. So next one is the Nayakas of Surpur. Yes. So the Nayakas of Surpur. So Surpur, yes. So it is in Yadgir district, yes, and it is situated in between the rivers Krishna and Bhima. Yes. So Surpur. So this is the map of Yadgir district where the three talukas are there. They are Yadgir, Shahapur, and Surpur. Okay. So the Surpuru, it lies between the two rivers. They are the river Krishna and Bhima. Yes. And from 1637 to 1858 Common Era, 12 Nayakas ruled the Surpuru. Yes. So there were 12 Nayakas. They ruled to the Surpur from the 1637 to 1858 Common Era. Yes. So Gaddipiti Nayaka. Yes. So Gaddipiti Nayaka, he was the founder of the Nayakas of Surpur dynasty. Yes. And his ancestors were in the Vijayanagar army. Yes. So Gaddipiti Nayaka, he was the founder of this dynasty, and his ancestors, they were in the Vijayanagar army. Yes. And they are one among the scattered groups after the fall of the Vijayanagar Empire. Yes. So Nayakas of Surpur, they are one of the scattered group after the fall of Vijayanagar Empire. Yes. And then after getting the official permission from Bijapur Adil Shahis, so the Nayakas of Surpur started to rule from Vaginagiri. Yes. So they have took permission from the Adil Shahis of Bijapur. Yes. And Pitambari Baharipitta Nayaka, who ruled from 1687 to 1727 Common Era, he made Surpur his capital after constructing the Surpur. Yes. So Pitambari Baharipitta Nayaka, he was also important king among the Nayakas of Surpur, and he made Surpura his capital after constructing it. Yes. So then after, in accordance with the agreement between the British and the Hyderabad Nizams, Surpur came under the control of Hyderabad. Yes. So there was an agreement that was between the British and Hyderabad Nizams. So then after, Surpur came under the control of Hyderabad. Yes. And next, Raja Nalwadi Venkatappa Nayak. Yes, he ruled from 1843 to 1858 Common Era. Yes. So Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak, he ruled from 1843 to 1858 Common Era. So he was the son of Raja Krishnappa Nayaka and he came to power. Yes. And the news of the first war of independence in India reached Surpura. Yes. So first war of independence, it was held in 1856. Okay. So the news of the first war of independence, it was reached to Surpura. Yes. And Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak had a plan to fight against the British by unifying the kings of South India. So Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak was the famous king of the Nayakas of Surpur, and he wanted to fight against the British. Yes. And he enlisted Arabs and Rohils in his army. Yes. And he also started to train the army. Yes. So he gave the special trainings to his army, and also he enlisted Arabs and Rohils in his army because he wanted to fight with the Britishers. Yes. On hearing these developments, the British officer, his name is Thornville, yes, he wrote a letter to Captain Campbell on 24th December 1857. Yes. And he directed him to take immediate action against Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak. Yes. So Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak, he was the important kings, and he enlisted Arab and Rohils in his army, and also he started to train the army. Yes. So the British officers, his name is Thornville. He can't tolerate the developments of the Raja Venkatappa Nayak, and that's why he gave the complaint, yes, to the Captain Campbell on 24th December 1857, and directed him that to take immediate actions against the Raja Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayaka. Yes. And the British regiment entered Surpura in 1858 and battle started. Yes. So when the report that was given by the Thornville, so then after the British regiment, they entered Surpura in 1858 and they started a battle. Yes. And the enraged army of Surpura broke the bones of Stuart. Yes, he was the military person of the Britishers. Yes. And the another person, his name is Newberry. Yes, he was a military commander. He also fell down. Meanwhile, Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak travelled to Hyderabad to bring the special forces of Arab and Rohil. Yes. So when the battle was started in the 1858, the Britishers regiment, they entered to Surpura. So in that time, Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak, he travelled to Hyderabad for bringing a special forces of Arab and Rohil. Yes. And the British forces entered Surpura and destroyed it. Yes. So the British forces are very powerful. They entered to Surpura and they destroyed all Surpur. Yes. And the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Nizam Salar Jung, he handed over Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak on the pretext of helping him. Yes. So when the British entered to India, in that time, the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Nizam, his name is Salar Jung. So he handed over Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak on the pretext of helping him. Yes. So the Prime Minister of Hyderabad, Nizam, he he requested to the Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak to protest them. Yes. And with the intention of getting a favor, the British kept Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak in a prison at Secunderabad. Yes. So British, they kept Nalvadi Venkatappa Nayak in a prison at the Secunderabad. and later he was subjected to inquiry and was awarded death sentence. Yes, when the britishers caught when the britishers caught the Venkatappa Nayak is in the prison, so he was subjected to inquiry and was awarded death sentence. Yes, on the plea made by a British officer, Meadows Taylor, the Governor General of India dropped the death sentence and condemned him for 4 years deportation. Yes, so the British officer, his name is Meadows Taylor. Yes, he requested to the Governor General of India that they have to drop the death sentence and they have to condemn him for 4 years of deportation. Yes, and while Venkatappa Nayaka was taken to a fort of Changalpet near Madras, the British, they betrayed and shot the resting Venkatappa dead. Yes, when Britishers shifted Venkatappa Nayaka to the fort of Changalpete near Madras. So in that time, the British officers, they shoot the Venkatappa Nayak. Yes, and later they spread the false news that he committed suicide. Yes, so the British officers, they killed the Venkatappa Nayak and they spread the false news that the Venkatappa Nayak, he committed suicide. Yes, and later the British shifted Surpura to the Nizam of Hyderabad. Yes, and the successors of Surpura province spent their time under the Nizams. Yes, the successors of Surpura province, they spent the time under the Nizams. And finally, when the province of Nizam of Hyderabad merged with the Indian Union on September 17, 1948, so Surpura also merged with India. Yes, so that's why we are celebrating September 17 as a Hyderabad Karnataka Liberation Day. Yes, and the Surpura Nayakas, yes, so the Surpura Nayakas have contributed to the field of culture, and their rule still finds resonance in the minds of people due to their pro-people programs. Yes, so the British, they took so many pro-people programs. Yes, that's why the common people can also minds of people due to their pro-people programs. And they also built tanks and temples as well as wells, forts and palaces. And many Jahangirs, that is land gifts, were given in that time, and they had provided Inam land to sustain the worship of their patron god Venkatramana at Tirupati and Gopal Swami. Yes, so the Surpura Nayakas, they also gave the Inam, that is Inam land, to sustain the worship of their patron gods. They are the Venkatramana at Tirupati and the Gopal Swami. And they had offered patronage to many artists, sculptors and musicians, and many literary works of good value were written during their reign. And they were known for their religious tolerances. And the Surpura rulers always accorded prominent place to paintings. Yes, there are so many paintings which are the famous in the Surpura region, and the design and techniques of Surpura paintings are of high quality, and the Surpura paintings stand unique from Vijayanagara and Mysuru paintings. Yes, and these paintings can be seen in the Museum of London and Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. Yes, so painting, it is very important in the Nayakas of Surpur. So there are so many famous paintings that we have seen in the Vijayanagara, that is Vijayapur and Mysuru paintings, and some of the important paintings which can found in the Museum of London and Salarjung Museum in Hyderabad. So this is all about Nayakas of Surpura. Yes. So thank you for watching video.